Welcome back to Golden Aura. This is episode 3, and the topic is faith, reputation, and science. Throughout history, humans have used repetition to regulate the mind and body. This is not new. Almost every belief system, every spiritual tradition uses repeated positive phrases, prayers, chants, mantras, remembrances. Different words, different cultures, but the same mechanism. When a phrase is repeated regularly, the brain receives it as a stable signal. The nervous system responds to that stability. Heart rate slows, breathing deepens, muscle tension softens. This is not coincidence. This is biology. Modern neuroscience shows us that repetition creates neural familiarity, and familiarity signals safety. This is why prayer, affirmations, and positive verbal repetition can reduce stress and increase emotional regulation, not because of blind belief, but because the brain and body learn through repetition. When religions encourage speaking hopeful words, asking for peace, or expressing gratitude, they are engaging the same systems that science now measures. Language shapes attention, attention shapes emotion, emotion shapes behavior. Nothing here is in conflict. Faith and science are describing the same process through different languages. One speaks through tradition, the other through data. But the human nervous system remains the same. This is why intentional listening, affirmations, and conscious repetition can support healing, not by denying reality, but by regulating response. And when the response changes, experience changes. Everything has a scientific counterpart. Understanding doesn't remove meaning, it deepens it. This is Golden Aura, where understanding brings calm.